Good morning and welcome everyone. Here we'll see and learn about CMMS. So, CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management Software. It is not just a software acronym. It is a fundamental shift in how industry organizations think about and manage their physical assets. Here, CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management Software, but I want you to think it in a different way. Think as it is your maintenance command center. Everything your maintenance organization does, like every work order, every plant services, every spare part transitions, every compliances record that flows through is recorded and stored in CMMS. But before we go further, let's answer the most fundamental question: what exactly is the CMMS? What specific problem does it solve for the maintenance organization like us? Let's see. So, CMMS acts as a central nervous system for the maintenance operation. It provides a single platform where all maintenance related information is stored, managed and analyzed. It is not just a database, it is an active operational store where every asset in the facility receives a digital identity within the system. Now we will see why organization needs CMS. For example, consider what happens in the most industry facilities without CMMS. Like work orders are written on paper and tracked in spreadsheets, even the preventive maintenance schedule in a filling cabinet and spare parts inventory is managed by the storeroom supervisor and asset history either recorded or scattered across papers. Now consider what changes when a CMMS comes into play in the same facility. Every asset in that facility, from a 50 megawatt gas turbine to a small pump seal, is registered with its full technical specification, its maintenance history, its associated spare parts, and also its criticality rating. Every work order ever raised against that asset is electronically recorded with the timestamps, labor hours, part consumed, and also the failure codes. So here is a number that puts this in a perspective way. In energy intensive industries like power, gas generation, oil generation, and heavy manufacturing industries, the maintenance cost typically represents 15 to 40% of the total operational expenditures. This is a significant number, and the research consistently shows that organization with a mature CMMS implementation is reducing their maintenance costs up to 20% and also simultaneously improving the equipment availability up to 20%. Whereas if we see in a reliability perspective way, the CMMS helps organization move from reactive maintenance to preventive maintenance and preventive to predictive maintenance. This progression significantly improve the asset availability, reliability as well, and equipment lifespan, and with an operational efficiency as well. Let me give you a concrete example. A major pharmaceutical company in Europe implemented CMMS across their 12 manufacturing sites. Within 18 months, their preventive compliances rate rose from 60 to 94. Their mean time between failures from criticality filling line equipment increased by 31%, and they passed their next FDA audit without any single maintenance documentation error. So this is the power of the CMS. It is not simply a software, it is a strategic platform that enables the maintenance excellence and operational reliability as well.